guys, meow, I'm a cat. Yeah, this game came out like over a week ago. I am really sorry I haven't played this game. So yeah, just move like a cat. I don't know, I was like really quick, just a little bit. Just climb up. Just climb up like that. Ooh, meow. Meow. Scratch my nose. Like an actual cat would do. Jump! Woo! Okay, that seems pretty simple. Oh, come on! Okay, I'm gonna kill this stupid square. Triangle. Ooh, fish. Okay, yum yum. Oh, I hold it. Oh, you can hold it in your mouth. Alright. Ooh, this is weird. It's something. I'll sleep. Look at that. Okay. Interesting. Whoa, what the fuck? Grandma! There's Grandma! Huh? Password required, what? It's a password. Oh, location. I'm gonna read what I can. Hey neighbor, you are new to this neighborhood. If you want to join our cat, you guys should probably pause it and read it. Go back and pause it and read it. Ooh, okay. I get to the second floor of the house. Let's dance. Okay, I think I can do these. Grandma! Grandma. Meow. Okay, let's do the second floor one. Let's do the second floor. And sorry I haven't been posting all that much. Oh, ooh, did it. Mission complete. Ooh, okay. It's like a game, I'm guessing. Let's dance. Yeah. Oh. No, meow. Yeah. Oh, okay. This game's like 20 bucks on App Lab, maybe? I think. And I'm pretty sure this game's in early access right now, so there's gonna be more. Ooh, let's dance. Okay, off. No. Okay. Let's go. Gotta do the moles. Oh, moles over here. Hey, Grandma. I did it. That was hard. There's a mouse one too. Okay, I think I can do that. Just gotta dump 10 books onto the ground. Grandma, I'm gonna be knocking books on the ground. Ooh, what's that? Ooh. Is that for that one? You guys remember that? I'm gonna show that in a second. Okay, let's go try this. I don't care. Okay, fine. How's the house? If you think you can break too much, just if you think you broke too much, just go to bed. You guys can read this. Okay, I'm dyslexic. Cut me some slack. Password required. There's like 40426. Okay, access granted. Oh. Grandma knows. I'm sorry, Grandma. I think we're fine. There's a friend. Oh! Hey, Grandma. Sorry about the plant I knocked over. You're creepy, Grandma. That's it. Grandma. Okay. Reset today. Okay, that should be pretty easy. I think, yeah, okay, right here. Nope. There we go. Did it. Okay, now. Let's see. Good morning, rookie. Let's, shit. Pause if you want to read that. Okay, level 3. I'm fine up here. Right? Or, whatever. I think that's on top of the fridge? Yeah, it looks like it's on top of the fridge. Okay, I can't climb that surface, I guess. Here? Ooh, good. Okay. Ooh, pop 8 balloons. Touch the art. Okay. Pop that while I'm at it. Grandma. Oh. Crap. There's a robot. Right now I gotta touch it. Yes. Got one. Got 2. Bonk. No. 3. Oh. This is actually pretty interesting. It's like a little playroom. Oh. The hell? Okay, not. Okay. Huh? Oh my god, there's a piano. Oh wait, I actually have to play it. I actually have to play the piano. Ooh, right there. A. C. D. D. Ooh, okay. Got that one done. And I still need to pop the buttons and do the mouse thing. I'm doing the mouse thing real quick. Mouse. Oh, whoa. Oh, stop. Oh, no, stop. Get. I said get over here. Stupid looking. Stop. Dude, okay, get in the mouth. Grandma, cover you. My baby, right? I have an idea though. I'm gonna try. What? No! I messed it up. It's getting further. Probably think you can. Get out! Let's go! Okay. That took me longer than I thought. Rock climber. Okay. Is that like, what is it? Climb to the highest point in the map. Okay. In the house. I think I know what that is. I saw it earlier. Is it up there, I think? Where the balloon is? It might be. Hold on. It's the tallest area I can see, so. Oh, nope. I am a cat, so. Wait, did I actually ever tell you guys the name of this game? I don't think I did. It's I Am Cat. You guys might have saw it at the beginning of the video, but I'm very sorry about that. Oh shit. Whew, I made it. I make 2 basketball things. I think I saw a basketball too. This place is big, dang. Grandma, when were you blah, blah, blah. I can't speak. Ooh, ball. It's a ball. These might work. I thought I saw a basketball earlier, but maybe it's just my imagination. Huh. Push. Yay! Okay. I think I saw a radio in the kitchen. Yeah, there is a radio over here. A dining table. Nope. Where's music? No! Grandma, I'm sorry. No. No! Come on. I want to dunk this. And one. Let's go. I just gotta pop the balloons, right? Yep. Oh. Man, 9-year-old. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh, thank God. Can I? Okay, thank you. Grandma, have you seen any balloons anywhere? Ooh, up there. There's the basketball. I thought I seen it up there. That's actually really weird. What? Grandma, when did you have memes in your house? And why are you dancing? Oh, wait. Grandma, are you okay? Are you having a stroke? Grandma, do you need to take your meds? Like, you needed to take your meds like 5 hours ago. Grandma, stop acting like an NPC. I didn't want to have to do this to you. Oh shit. Grandma, I'm gonna go to sleep before you notice I'm here. You just gotta take your pills. Sorry. Okay, I just have to tell. Sorry, Grandma. Are you okay? Think so. Okay, how many more balloons? About 2 more balloons. If I did my math correctly. It's most of the time I don't. Grandma, take your meme with you. Okay. There's the last balloon over here, I think. Let's go. Not bad, but you're too careful. Show me now. Bad kitty something. I don't know. Okay. Hey, Grandma, I'm gonna kill you in a second, but first let me do my outro. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. See you guys later. No, wait. Bye, guys.